Welcome to this tutorial on how to turn on push notifications for friend requests on Facebook. Staying connected with friends and expanding your network is easier when you're informed about new friend requests. Here's how you can ensure you never miss a connection opportunity. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, you'll see a familiar interface. To access the settings, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This menu gives you access to various features and settings within Facebook. Scroll down through this menu until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options. From here, select Settings to proceed. This will take you to a comprehensive list of settings that allow you to customize your Facebook experience. Now, under the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Notifications. Tap on this option to manage how Facebook alerts you about different activities. Within the Notifications menu, you'll find various categories, including friend requests. Tap on Friend Requests to adjust the notification settings specifically for when someone sends you a friend request. Here, you'll see options for how you want to receive these notifications. To turn on push notifications for friend requests, toggle the push option to the on position. By enabling push notifications for friend requests, you'll receive real-time alerts on your device whenever someone sends you a friend request. This ensures you can respond promptly and stay engaged with your social network. Whether you're using Facebook for personal or professional purposes, staying connected is crucial, and these notifications help you do just that. That's it. With these simple steps, you can now stay updated about new friend requests on Facebook. Remember, you can always customize your notification preferences to suit your needs, ensuring that you receive only the updates that matter most to you. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your Facebook experience.